pollution story is relatively new because pollution we had linked to respiratory disease, to asthma, allergies, bronchitis, even to some forms of lung cancer, pneumonia. This is what generally we had linked pollution to. More recently, even 2 3 years ago, not after COVID and so on, even a couple of years ago, when we were part of this global burden of disease study, GBD study, when we started looking at all the risk factors for diabetes, like well-known ones, family history, obesity, lack of exercise, eating wrong food, stress, this, that. Beyond all that, in urban areas, there was an unexplained, higher risk of diabetes compared to rural areas. So then when we started looking, we found that pollution is one of the causes of diabetes. At that time, in one of the papers, we suggested that 4% of all diabetes is due to pollution. Okay. So, as a risk factor for diabetes, here is a new one coming up: pollution. Because when you have pollution, or there is something else which can occur, not just the air pollution and smoke and so on, but also other things like plastics, bisphenols. We call them as bisphenols. So you take always in plastic tumblers and plastic bottles, and these things also have some toxic effects, and they can produce, especially what is called as bisphenol, BSA, we call it BSP. So this BSP, what it does is it acts as an endocrine disruptor. So it interferes with the insulin production, insulin action, and there's a lot of things coming up that these endocrine disruptors can be an independent cause of diabetes, apart from obesity, lack of exercise, and all that. So these are new things which are coming up. There are also some suggestions that fertilizers and the pesticides which are used, these are all new etiology for diabetes which are coming up, which we never thought of earlier. So there are a number of things like this which can produce diabetes, but they're all preventable. So if you reduce the pollution level, that much diabetes can be controlled. If you wash all your vegetables properly, remove the pesticides, probably one more can be removed. So these are newer causes of diabetes, and these can be very easily controlled.